Hello travelers and adventurers, welcome to our Icelandic Odyssey. In this video, we're going to take you on a remarkable journey through the land of fire and ice, Iceland. We've carefully curated a list of the top 10 places you absolutely must visit on your Icelandic adventure. 1. Reykjavik. Our first stop is the vibrant capital city of Reykjavik. Explore its charming streets, visit the iconic Hallgrímskirkja, and soak in the lively culture. Don't forget to check out the local cuisine at a cozy cafe. Reykjavik's colorful buildings and vibrant street art create a dynamic atmosphere. It's the perfect starting point for your Icelandic adventure. Now let's delve deeper into what makes Reykjavik a must-visit destination in Iceland. 2. The Golden Circle. Next, we embark on the Golden Circle Tour. Witness the stunning Gullfoss waterfall, Geysir geothermal area, and the historical Thingvellir National Park. Nature and history unite in this incredible journey, making the Golden Circle a highlight of any Icelandic trip. 3. Blue Lagoon. For relaxation and rejuvenation, we recommend the world-famous Blue Lagoon. Bathe in its geothermal waters surrounded by lava fields. It's pure bliss. The Blue Lagoon is not only a geothermal wonder, but also a serene escape you won't want to miss. 4. Akureyri and the North. Heading north, you'll discover Akureyri, Iceland's second-largest city. Nestled in the stunning Eyjafjörður Fjord, it offers a perfect blend of culture and nature. Explore the picturesque landscapes of the north, including the stunning Godafoss waterfall, known as the Waterfall of the Gods. Its beauty is truly mesmerizing, surrounded by lush greenery and a sense of timeless wonder. 5. The East Fjords. The East Fjords are our next destination. With their winding roads and dramatic coastline, they offer some of the most stunning vistas in Iceland. The small fishing villages like Seyðisfjörður are charming, and the towering mountains like Mount Vestrahorn create a photographer's dream. Hiking trails reveal breathtaking fjords, and you might even spot a reindeer, making the East Fjords an explorer's paradise. 6. The South Coast. The South Coast is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Visit the iconic black sand beaches at Reynisfjara, where the crashing waves and unique basalt columns create a dramatic and awe-inspiring atmosphere. Further along, the extraordinary Skogafoss and Seljalandsfoss waterfalls await, where you can get up close to the cascading water and even walk behind one of them, providing unforgettable memories of Iceland's beauty. 7. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. A must-visit on your Icelandic journey is the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Witness floating icebergs and the incredible Vatnajökull Glacier National Park. This mesmerizing landscape is unlike anything you've seen before. The contrast between the crystal-clear lagoon water and the massive ice formations is a visual spectacle that's both surreal and captivating. 8. The Westman Islands. Venturing to the Westman Islands provides a unique experience. The islands are known for their volcanic history, and a highlight is exploring Heimaey Island. Here, you can witness the remnants of the 1973 volcanic eruption that threatened the town, and even visit a museum dedicated to that event. The islands also boast picturesque nature, puffin colonies, and a charming fishing village atmosphere that's well worth your visit. 9. The Highlands. The Icelandic Highlands are for the true adventurers. This remote region, accessible during the summer months, is a rugged, untouched wilderness. You'll encounter the surreal landscapes of Landmannalaugar, known for its colorful rhyolite mountains and geothermal hot springs. Further east, the desolate beauty of Askja Caldera, a volcanic wonder, awaits. The highlands offer a raw, unfiltered connection with nature that's both humbling and inspiring. 10. The West Fjords. We conclude our journey in the remote and unspoiled West Fjords. This region offers a sense of isolation and wilderness like no other. Explore the winding fjords, towering cliffs, and rich birdlife, including puffins and Arctic foxes. It's a paradise for nature enthusiasts and hikers looking for untouched beauty. The West Fjords are Iceland's hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by those who seek serenity in the wild. That wraps up our exploration of the top 10 places to visit in Iceland. This country's natural beauty, diverse landscapes, and unique culture make it a destination like no other. If you've been to any of these places or plan to visit, share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy exploring.